Hi, I'm Vishal Mehta. I am 27 years old and I am one of the founders of Ultrapop. I have my undergraduation degree from Kingston University in Business Administration and a postgraduate in Innovation, Creativity and Entrepreneurship from Newcastle.
Hi, my name is Saumil. I am the other co-founder of Ultrapop Cards, and I've done my education in New Zealand. Nothing related to the print industry, but this concept is something that we wanted to bring into this country, and it's something new, it's something exciting, and that's the reason we've started this company.
I've actually been in the printing industry since 2013 now, and I've been printing a lot of books, brochures, wedding cards, just a lot of print and packaging things. And we realized it was getting a little monotonous. It's a family business, and I was like, the customer needs something new. In today's digital world, even print and packaging is decreasing, and customers need something innovative and creative to look forward to, I guess. And that's how Ultrapop came up. Ultrapop is basically a 3D pop-up card company. This is our lavender card. So this is the front of the lavender card. And as you can see, what we've done is we've taken obviously purple paper and we've laser cut it, but we made it very intricate to get the lavender flower out. The concept behind making a card like this was that the minute you open the card, you should get an instant feeling of what the card is. And I'm guessing the lavender way is does just that for us. Another thing that we do with the card is there's a little bit of printing involved, and if you look at the card from the top angle, you can see that the making is pretty difficult in terms of what we've done. It's a little complex. There are actually a lot of steps behind making these cards. That is our pirate ship card. It looks exactly like that. The process behind this card was actually a little difficult. We were inspired from Pirates of the Caribbean actually, looking at the Black Pearl, and thought, let's come up with something at least a little close to it. And in today's world, for the customer, the products have to be very innovative. It has to be different. Nobody wants to give something that you've already seen before in the market. And which is why we started Ultrapop. It's a really fun card. It makes any special into a memorable one. Future plans is to obviously get into the wedding industry, because as you know, in India, the wedding industry is a really big industry. We want to make cards where we can incorporate it with boxes, with bags. We want to make business cards. We want to get into the B2B end of it, probably for realtors and developers, whereas we could make them sample flats as a pop-up card. And probably in the future, we also want to come up with frames, pop-up frames for rooms, which is, I think, a cool concept for us. The idea for us, the future is only pop-ups, but try to use it in as many ways as possible.